Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for inviting me to talk at your reference for my father. It's an honor for me as his daughter to be aware of how much love and respect people had for him, not only in Pakistan but around the world. My father, as a scientist, was always in pursuit of education and the sciences, and I know that this institute was very close to his heart, and he worked very hard to see it come to fruition, and he was very happy when it was established. And also the coordination that you have with Dow University, I know he was very proud of that, and his hope is to see the work that you do at the Institute carry forward, that more and more young people are trained in these sciences, that they go forward, that they're able to contribute not only in science but to the welfare and health of Pakistan. And I wish you good luck with that, and thank you once again for having me. Thank you.